friends and family, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I am coming to you with my unboxing of my August orders. Everything just got in through yesterday. So the first box that I'm going to show you is my loyalty rewards order. And this order is going to seem a little familiar possibly because I forgot to change my loyalty order this month, which is not a big deal because I use the products all the time. I've only done it one other time in the, I think it's 249 months that they've been tracking that I've been a loyalty reward member, but since 1995, so even before it was tracked, I think I only did it one other time. So I'm a quick learner, right? So the first thing that I got is 2 things of Balance Complete. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that this is my protein shake and what I have every morning as part of my wellness routine. So I get 2 a month. There's 15 servings per, so I get 30 days out of it. Sorry. I also got a Thieves household cleaner. This is our 14.4 ounce bottle. This one bottle is so concentrated that it will make a total of 29 16 ounce spray bottles. So I keep one under every sink in my house, and I use this for everything from ceiling to floor and everything in between. There isn't a surface yet that I found that doesn't work beautifully with Thieves household cleaner. So 1 capful in a 16 ounce bottle and fill it with distilled or filtered water to the top for 16 ounces of cleaning. That lasts me a good long time. So this is a staple and I never want to be without that. And then our lavender hand and body lotion. I hadn't tried the lavender before, so last month was my first time getting it, and so now I have plenty to get me through our colder months when I tend to have more dry skin because of the climate. Because in Florida we are so moist and humid during the summer, we don't need a lot, but I will definitely be using that all winter long. So along with that, I also got Longevity. And Longevity is a capsule. It's one of our supplements. And this is all the goodness that I take every single morning just to help give me a boost and keep me feeling at my best. So I always want to stay above the wellness line, and this is a supplement that helps me to do that. A couple of oils that were free this month. Let's see, the Longevity. Okay, just checking to see. I'm trying to remember too what was free. So rosemary was a free oil last month, lemon was a free oil, and ginger. So these are the oils that I qualified for as a freebie. So we're just gonna pop this stuff back over here in the box so I don't get it confused. We'll set it aside and we'll move on to our next order. And this, I told you before, we have 2 loyalty orders in our house. So this was the next loyalty order. And I got a notification just before shipping that Young Living was reformulating our bar soaps. And again, if you've watched in the past, you have seen that we love the charcoal bar soap. My husband uses it in the shower every night. He works construction and it's in Florida, so it's hot and he comes home pretty smelly. So this one helps to control odors and it just nourishes his skin. So I went a little crazy because they were on sale for half off. So I bought 12 of these bars of soap because I want to make sure that we don't run out, because I really don't like paying full price for anything. So if I can get a deal, I will. The new formulation is using some new oils that are more moisturizing, so I'm sure when we make the switch, we're gonna love that. On top of the 12 bars of soap, I also got this is our new Make a Shift Essential Oils Solutions Collection. And I'm having to show you a picture because the moment I got it in, I had a friend that said, I want that. So it walked out the door before I ever even had a chance to get it on video. So what's in this kit is a bottle of, they're all 5 milliliter bottles. You get a total of 6 oils, 4 of them are standard 5 ml bottles. 2 of them are roll-ons. So you get Thieves, Purification, Lavender, Peppermint, and then as the roll-on, you get Deep Relief and Stress Away. Plus it comes with the Fresh Start Diffuser. And as a first-time buyer, it opens up and unlocks that 24% discount for a full year. This one retails for $201.58, but as a starter kit, it's priced at $112. And if you use the code SHAREYL, it's going to knock that price down to $100. That's a fantastic deal. So no wonder she grabbed it. This was just released at our international convention. So I'm waiting for hers to come back in so that I have my kit also. So then our last to come in is the professional accounts order. And again, I have mentioned in the past that the professional account is for those who have an opportunity to resale. And so some of the product is resale and some of it is for our family's consumption. So we'll just start with Ningxia Greens. Ningxia Greens is a powder of so many wonderful vegetables that are all so nutrient dense for us. This is going to be going with me in 2 weeks when we leave for a 15-day European cruise. And so this will be in my shake every morning. I'll be taking my Balance Complete and my Ningxia Greens, because normally I would take fresh spinach and put it in my greens, but without a blender option on the ship and not a way to get that mixed into my shake as a liquid, then it's just not the same. So I can still get my greens every day by adding my my Ningxia Greens, and it's just the smallest of scoops. I've been doing it the last couple of mornings because I didn't get to the store to get more fresh spinach, and it really is delicious. Then Super Cal Plus. This is a supplement that helps to support our bones and our muscles. So I don't want to go without this because my grandmother had really bad curvature of the spine, and I'm trying to just make sure that I do everything I can to support my healthy structure and bones. Agile Ease, also to help support. This one has vitamin D in it, and that's something that my doctor told me he wanted to see me increase. After I did my bone density, we were convinced that this product works because my bone density increased as it needed to. So then this one, Agile Ease, helps to keep our joints supple and working as they should. So that's important to both my husband and I. Another bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner. This one is going to a customer, and I got 2 of our collagen. This is our Inner Beauty Collagen. This is a marine-based product. So this is specifically for hair, skin, and nails. Whereas if you are using one that is from a bovine, then that is for your muscles and your joints. So this is the one cosmetically that makes a difference. And I've looked back at my pictures from when I started it almost a year and a half ago, I think it's been, and I can see a difference. Another bottle of Agile Ease, another bottle of Agile Ease, and yet another bottle of Agile Ease. Yes, we take this in our house religiously. And then for more customer, that one a little loose, more customer products, Copaiba Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. And then we've also got Allerzyme. This is an enzyme. I take this. It's such a small little capsule, but it's got some wonderful magical powers. When you take this after a meal or just before the meal, really helps the body to digest and cleanse what you have just consumed. And this one is another bottle of Longevity. We've already talked about that. Some of these I'm always afraid I'm going to run out of, so I order a little extra. And then this is oils. This is also a customer order, and that is lavender. She's a massage therapist, so she uses a lot of oils in her practice, and I am so glad that I can help her get the best quality products at a good price. So that is my unboxing for September. If you've got questions, I'm always happy to answer them. Just add them to the comments, and I'll see you in our unboxing of the September order probably right around the middle of October because I won't be home until then. So for now, bon voyage, and I'll see you soon.